You know what I'm saying? Ain't that they ain't biting. They doing what fish supposed to do. They bite. Now I just ain't doing my part, the catching part. Caught a 3 ground mullet so far.
We'll be over there.
Like you said, Thor, I think you're right. They come in and go out. Come in and go out. Who do you think I am? I am a fisherman. Don't play, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, man. At least I ain't the last one on the board.